On Friday, we announced that there were no new coronavirus cases and that the 7 patients who were tested positive for the virus were undergoing treatment and were stable. We continue to monitor their progress as well as the individuals who have come in contact with them. And I may add here that they continue to be stable. In the last 72 hours, however, we have received confirmation of an additional 8 cases who have tested positive for coronavirus. This now brings the total number of those who have tested positive to 15. Out of the latest 8 cases, 5 are Kenyans and 3 are foreign nationals. The foreign nationals are 2 French people and 1 Mexican. All the 8 are imported cases from Europe and America. The ages are between the age of 20 for the youngest and 57 years for the oldest. All the 8 came through the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport between the 4th of March and the 17th of March. And they all have been isolated at various facilities and are being monitored by our teams. We are tracing 363 persons who had come into contact with these patients. So far, we have also an additional 3 people waiting processing at Bagathi Hospital. The rest have been processed and discharged. All the patients, except the one who is at the coast, at Msambweni, are all in stable condition. The government is organizing to having the patients in Msambweni airlifted to Nairobi for further treatment. As I mentioned on Friday last week, our actions continue to be guided by the trends that we have observed in other countries.